Hello everyone, you're watching Forex, and in this video I'm going to share with you results of our trading gold with the EA for October month. So guys, this is the result. So we have $517 this month was made with the EA. So of course the most important how big the lot size grown, because the lot size started was with 0.04, and during the recovery process, of course the lot sizes can grow, and as you can see, this time the maximum was 0.51. So, and it didn't go any higher. You see, that's the guys, you see it starting with smaller ones and then goes into the big one. So that's quite nice, right? So, and I want to show you last 3 months, because remember we had September was a bad month when we had a loss of $1,700. So you can see now, guys, we have 779 to cover. So I presume this month, October, November. So November, it might also will make about $500. So we will be still slightly break even a little bit with a loss, and hopefully then afterwards it will start to build up again. So that's, you see guys, the problem last time was because we're using the same old system of recovery, the lot size went like nuts, 269 last time, so it was huge. And actually I stopped it myself, and but to be honest, if I would leave it, so if it's a much bigger account, for example, if I would left it at the same lot, then it would have covered the loss and would have walked away with profit. But the lot size probably would go about 4, because I looked, it was another attempt possibility. So yeah, that was a little bit disappointing, but that was with the light version of EA, guys. I have afterwards, of course, when we had this, because like I told you, I have never left it fully automatically running with the EA line trader, JanFX line trader. I usually, like I suggest, use it please with manual trading, you know, my manual entries, and then the EA picks up. But this one completely automatic, and it's a little bit different. It's not using my entry points, it uses specific entry points at specific hours. And so in a European session and an American session, so it's 2 entries it looks for, and it can get into 4 entries during the day. So of course I started to look through and think what could be done, and I made the programmer to get something built in the new functions of the EA. And so for the month of September, if I will go and show you guys, so let's see, that's the custom period, and I'm going to put in, that's what we're going to see, how much exactly we lost in September. I will put it not from the 1st, but from the 31st, because I have made some other tests, and we are going right to the end of September. So yeah, so you see guys, that's the number. We lost 1,861 if the lot went to about 260 something, right? 269. So with the new EA, guys, I have made tests and we have great results. Look at this. So now I have placed exactly the same dates. You see 31st of August till 3rd of October, so the whole September, exactly the same settings, except that new recovery system, right? The extra features in it. And I mean, yeah, okay, the month was really bad, so you can see it's been going ups and downs, and but it would have made us profit. Look at this. So it would have made, it's a one setting, because there are 2 settings, right? So that's the setting was I think it was 2 o'clock, the one before the American session. Yes, that was about American session time. So it would have made us $220. Now let's see the drawdown. Look at the drawdown. It's only would have been 8%. That is like really, really low drawdown, right? And of course the lot size, you can see the lot size I was checking out. Just a minute, we're going to see, went up to about 0.35 only. You see guys, on the 0.35. I mean, you can slow down if you want to check it yourself. I'm just running it like this, but you can see on the test it went only that size, so it didn't even go anywhere near to something, even 1 lot. So that's the one time. And another one I checked is it's a EU session, and this one also would have made us 252. So we would have made roughly is what we're expecting to make a month, around $500 plus minus. You see, guys, again, so 252. And look again at the drawdown, also would have been only about 10%. This is also really good. I mean, you see, that's where it was the really bad, where we got into this bad trade in September. And you see on the back test, it's pretty much recovered nicely and come out. So it's really working this time. And let's see what the lot size also, you see this all like small ones, and then we have 0.23, 0.28, and let's see if it went a little bit higher at all. And 13 and 11. And I think that was the maximum this time at the European session. That part of the trade, yeah, you see, it didn't even go to 0.5 like the second part of the trade, so that was only went to 0.28. So yeah, you can see the big difference to our results compared with a little bit previous way strategy. So this is automatic. That's why I'm saying, guys, you see the problem is in here. That's what it was, is that when I'm trading manually with the EA, I'm watching it, right? So I'm keeping an eye, and I see when it, for example, gets me a bit of the profit, I could close myself and bank that profit, right? And then I could decide, do I want the rest of it run and finish the recovery, or did I want just to take the loss? So now that's what I was thinking. In automatic system, we decided to put in trailing stop now. So when it goes, for example, because that's what I noticed quite often with the trades, there are wider spreads happening, slipperages. So it goes to the take profit area, but it misses the exit. But it can happen with any, guys. I don't think it's only with the EAs. It's just it can miss your exit or entry point. That doesn't matter if you placed it actually in MT4 manually or through the EA. So these things happens. That's why I'm saying always it's better to actually watch it just in case. So of course it is still not guarantee anything, but anyway, so now it's going to bank some of the profit when it's in a recovery. And there are two ways of setups, and I'm using at this moment the one setup where it keeps the same lot size, so it banks some profits and then continue with recovery, finishing the take profit we want, right? So that's automatically will continue the sequence, and we'll try to get out with the cover the loss and make a little bit of profit. So we will see how it's going to work, because in the first place it had to finish the whole recovery. So take, like, let's say I have 800 pips, I need to finish the recovery, right? And then it misses by 1 or 2 pips, then it goes back and it misses the whole 700 pips of profit we already made. So now it's not going to do so. It's going to take, let's say, 500 pips, bank it profit, and then continue. So that means your account will be growing that way and covering the loss we made. So you see, I think this should really work. We will see now. Like I'm saying, guys, I'm only testing the CA since July. It's only like been few months, so that's why I'm looking into all these problems what can be, and of course trying to reduce the lot size. Maybe I need to look into something else in different settings, that because I tested it, and like that 5 years of testing showed a quite good result previously, but you see it didn't expect you can't do it when it's like various of the spreads. That's why back tests are not 100% accurate, you see, when you actually put it on the real life accounts. So that's the updates now, guys. We will see, and hopefully it will progress nicely. I don't want to increase the lot size, but I mean, with such a small drawdown on this account, maybe I should increase a little bit lot size, but I will just keep it as it is for another month, and we will see how this month will perform. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, and for the EA, Of course, all the links are in the description under this video. You can join through Patreon, which is the best time if you want to have a monthly subscription, and it's best to join at the beginning of the month. And if you just want to go have it for 1 month, you can join for Patreon. And if you want to have it for 6 months or 1 year, it's a very, very reasonable price. It's discounted subscription compared if you just have it pay for subscription every month. So all the links in the description. Happy trading. I see you in my next video. Bye bye.